shift, pivot, shift, pivot, shift, pivot, shift, pivot, shift.
We at Shift Group have been working with small business most of our lives. We always say you got to work on your business, not just in your business.
Gotta shift, y'all. Shift and pivot. Whatever you do to grow your business.
When we started the Shift Workshop at the beginning of the pandemic, that's all people could do because their business was shut down. What emerged in that crisis was a great method for entrepreneurs to use to work on their business, together with other business owners just like themselves. With our tools, you'll reimagine where you want to go, what obstacles are in your way, and how you're going to get around those obstacles. Who you need to learn from about the needs in your market, and what could change in your business for you to hit those spots. Who you need help from to get it done from here. All in 4 short weeks, once a week on Zoom for 90 minutes in the comfort of your home and in the company of wonderful other business owners just like yourselves. They'll help you, listen to you, and we'll coach you. That's the magic. Shift and pivot to a brand new world. Check the link below, and you'll be glad you did. We'll see you in October. Shift and pivot to a brand new world.
Gotta shift, y'all. Shift and pivot. Whatever you do to grow your business.